record for the biggest views
you
on
guys
the
hold the record. No one broke it. Fake OGs try to break it, but you gotta do some work.
I told these guys.
Work. You gotta do some work.
Can I get an amen? Introverted can't make friends. Pray for better days. Now it's 300K when my day ends. Do you remember last night? Cause I blacked out in that all white dress with a back out. Said be careful with a heart cause it's fragile. Thinking about a past, make a lash out. See with me, it ain't no worries at all. Any problem, I'll be there in one call. If you like me, my dog. Finna you hang pictures on my wall.
Hello, what is going on? Up next, Trades Keon here, back with another video. Guys, we see the market. It is bloody almost every single day, so it's only right that we bring to you a video on how to make profits in the bear market using these bear conditions to your advantage using different strategies. And I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of those, and then we are going to move over to the project of the day, guys. I am talking about Zoomex, guys. Mobile trading made easy, the access to smart investments, Zoomex. But before that, let's talk about how to make some nice profits in this bear market. Let's get into it, fellas. So fellas, as you guys can see here, I'm going to be using different pairings to really show you how to make profits in these bear markets, guys. Today we are going to be looking at the pairing of Bitcoin to the US dollars and how we're going to use these extreme bear conditions of this current market to really make some good profits. So guys, again, it is hard to trade in these extreme markets because if you're using leverage, the pull-ups are about, say, 67%. So say if you trade around here, like at this point, you might get liquidated. So how do you want to use these extreme various trends? And we really like to be on the hourly charts when we're putting these strategies. So as far as you can see, guys, we're going to be setting our EMAs to 25 and 50. So it's up there, and we're going to be taking short positions based on where we are compared to the EMA, right? Because that's what we really want to use. So again, looking at this, guys, again, taking a nice look, we're going to be putting 25 EMAs at this point, that point, this point, at this point. These are multiple points on this hour frame, and then we're going to bring it in to smaller intervals and see where we actually touch the small time frame 2FA, 25 EMA. So right here, guys, we start to 15 to 50 minutes, and maybe, guys, if you see it going a little bit bullish, we actually like to find spots in the middle to actually seek if it's the correct position, guys. Again, it's all based on timing, and when you're making these short positions in this market, you want to make sure that you're doing the right one. So again, taking a look over here, actually the ones right here, it's really hard to determine. It's almost impossible to determine when each entry position is. So we're going to be using a low leverage in this situation, guys. You really want to minimize your risk when taking part in this. So again, guys, say 3 to 4x, we're going to use that because you do not want to get liquidated, guys. That's the number one thing you don't want to do, is get liquidated, especially in this absolute crazy market. So again, what are the takeaways when you're using these strategies? Again, we really need to be careful. That's the number one takeaway, guys, especially in these bear markets where everything is all over the place. You want to make sure, because in these markets, we can climb up fast or even go down faster. So again, look at this. It's 26% in a span of 2 days in this situation. It's an extreme bear market condition for shorting with low leverage, right? Because essentially, guys, we want to be staking our money as much as possible. In the short term, you want to be looking at it in an exact situation and taking a look just like that, and taking a look at that. If that's something that is interesting for you, you could check out, and it should be able to do that for yourself. So again, guys, make sure you're using the Fibonacci tracement level from your local tops. I always say it in every video, right here to the bottom, to actually determine what a good entry might be. So for example, guys, here we've seen the entry, we've seen exactly what we're looking at, we've looked at different points, and you want to make sure to be using all the tools available to you to be able to execute this trade and still make profits in this bear market. But enough of the trading, guys. Let's talk about the platform of the day, which is Zoomex. Let's get straight into it, guys. guys. So fellas, as you can see right over here, we are live and direct on the website and you are seeing it firsthand, man. Getting access to smart investments. You have Zoomex over here. You have the opportunity to create an account right over here, man. Set yourself up very, very fast. And look how much news they have. Different competitions, different ways to get involved. Again, 2022 together with Zoomex. You have all of these different referral programs. You have affiliate programs in hand. Everything is available to you at the tip of your fingers, and they offer all of these different products, all these different opportunities. And here you guys can take a look at what's happening on the markets. We see a slight bounce back, especially with everything that's been going on. So as you guys can see, up all the different pairings. But the main thing I want to talk about, man, is why Zoomex? What are they doing? What do they bring to the table? Guys, first thing is reliability. Very important stuff. Again, guys, you need to know that you're able to trust the platform, and they give you the opportunity to do that. So again, as you guys can see over here with reliability, they provide high liquidity and reliable pricing based on real-time market data. You have stability in hand as well. So here you have instant cryptocurrency trading at the best price, even in highly volatile markets. You have security available to you. So again, we protect your assets safely through a multi-signature cold hot wallet system. So they have security there, stability there, reliability there, because again, guys, as I always say it on the channel, you cannot buy peace of mind, and they make sure to offer that. And most importantly, guys, client first, always putting the client first, hearing to what they have to say and getting it going just like that. So taking it a step further, guys, you have mobile trading made easy. Trade whenever, all this is available to you. And taking a look at it, guys, you can check it out. Download Zoomex mobile app for free on iOS and Android. You have the lowest trading fee in the industry, which is great to see. You have up to 100x leverage and more than 50 pairs of futures contracts also available here. And it all goes back to the access to smart investment, guys. As far as Zoomex, you see that it is all available over here. And if you want to learn more about them, when they got put on, when they were established, 2021 in Singapore, guys, the heart of crypto being Singapore, and in the cryptocurrency trading platform equipped with high-tech blockchain technology, and they make sure to bring this all to the table. And taking it a step further, you can see we believe this technology will prosper our lives and increase the value of assets. The aim is to provide more customers with a better online cryptocurrency trading environment, and they do exactly that, man, through the mission, through the vision, making sure it's all there, making sure that you have safety and you have trust between yourself and the exchange. And they offer so much, man. You have USDT perpetual and inverse trading, which is something that we love to see, guys. Again, you see the entire breakdown of all of this. You can check out to provide our customers various trading environments. All of this is available. You have 24-hour deposit and withdrawal also here, and you have maximum 100 times leverage margin. So again, guys, you could leverage, take on more risk, but at the same time, when you take on more risk, there's a much larger chance of reward, which is something we really love to see. You have the safe protection of assets. Again, over here, you can check it out. Zoomex uses the best multi-signature security system, as well as hot, cold, and hot wallet systems to protect the customer assets. It's customer oriented, customer center. All over here, you have a comfortable interface. You have all the different compliance reports from US MSP license, from Canada MSP license. Everything is available to you right over here, and it's gathered by the elites of the financial and technology industries. You have Amos, Jay, Pony, all of these guys available right over here. And it's a veteran in the field of cryptocurrency and blockchain, man, because again, guys, to make the perfect project, you need the perfect team, and that is exactly what they have with all these people here being in the space for a very long time. You have the ability to trade now. You can see exactly what is happening. Again, how you guys can get involved with crypto markets, trading, references, all the different types of bonuses over here. And you could check out all these different deals, man, and the list just keeps on going, guys. And if you want to learn anything more about Zoomex, you can check it out right over here. You can see their trade volume on CoinMarketCap, see exactly what's going. You could buy crypto by hitting that button. They have all these different options to get involved in buying crypto. You have packs full, you have all of these different things. And as you guys can see, will there be any transaction fees for purchase crypto via Zoomex fiat service provider? And again, you see the entire breakdown of this, man. You can check out exactly what is happening. You can buy crypto, you have different markets, you can see exactly what's going on over here. You can check out the turnover, the popular trading pairs, everything in between, guys. We really love to see this. And as you guys can see, it was funded in 2021, as I said earlier, and we are very excited to see what they do next, man. You can check out the markets over here. You could trade inverse perpetual or just USDT perpetual, whatever you want to do. You could have your eye out for different announcements, what's going on, the help center, any different questions that you may have, man. It's all going to be here. They have different events, as I told you guys earlier, many opportunities to earn, many opportunities to get involved. You have the leaderboard, different bonuses from the rewards hub to the referral program. Because guys, again, if you're having a great time with the exchange, if you're seeing good profits, why not get other people involved? Again, as you guys can see over here, invite your friends and get 10 USDT and get up to 1,000 USDT trading rewards. You have the different events here, you have the help center, and you could do the entire breakdown as easy as that, boys. And that is all the time we have for today, guys. I told you we're getting access to a bunch of smart investments, a bunch of different products, and a bunch of different opportunities through Zoomex. So that is what I love to see. Again, guys, all links will be in the description. Make sure to show love. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, boys, peace.